If you bought a sprinkler like this and you wonder what this is, that means you need a new nozzle. Sometimes manufacturers will have them produced like this without a nozzle, meaning you can put whatever you want here on top. You want a nozzle that will cover 360-degree angle, you want 90 degrees angle, you want further distance or something special, then you can just insert it yourself. But basically this one here will need a new nozzle, and this is just a protective cap. You can just pull it up here like this. So one more time, you pull it up, hold it right here, and then you unscrew it and you grab a new nozzle. So this here is from Rainbird, and you can actually change them. You can switch them over between these two brand names. Usually these are just simple nozzles from 1800 series of Rainbird sprinkler head. So I'm just gonna put it here, and this is it. This is where the water comes out. It has this graphic here on top printed in, and that will tell you where your water is spraying, and then you're all set. If you need to adjust the spray distance, you use this screw and a small screwdriver, and then you just screw it in to the right if you want to decrease your distance. And once you go all the way in, that means this is closed. Once you start unscrewing to the left, that will increase your distance and it will spray further. Now if you want a different nozzle, you just pull this out. Let me show you that. So let's just say this is all finished and you change your mind. You can use a screwdriver here, pull it out carefully. You can hold it with hand, or you can use a clamp tool, and I'll have that in description, and hold it like this. These are actually long and these are really convenient to hold. The shorter ones are harder to hold with your hand, but while this is in the ground, while it's sitting in the ground, you can just unscrew this and put a filter in if you'd like. I suggest you do it because it will prevent dirt from getting into the nozzle. So all these nozzles, when you buy them brand new, they will come with a filter like this, and I suggest you use them. I also suggest sometimes you open it up and then clean it. Sometimes you can find debris sitting here. So put a filter in, and this is a 360-degree angle nozzle. Same thing from Rainbird. And then you can notice that there's a part here on top that you can turn, and then once these notches here meet at the top, that means this is closed. Once you start unscrewing this, this will open up your distance. So when you turn it to a quarter of a turn, this means that it will spray 90 degrees. If you turn it halfway, it will cover 180 degrees angle. If you go all the way out, it will cover all the way around. So this is really nice. You can change the angle of the coverage, and then here on the bottom you can move the whole thing around. For example, you want to cover 90 degrees and it's spraying this way, you can just turn this and switch it to wherever you want, or you can just turn the whole sprinkler head. Thanks for watching, and come back for more videos.